What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. It's the same day but different video. You know what I'm saying? Since I'm in this area, I told you guys I was gonna go and look at this Widebody Scatpack. It's the only one that I've seen in the area, well, online, saying that they got one. So we're gonna go up in here and I think it's in the showroom. So we're gonna go up in here, man, and check this, look at this 2020 Widebody Scatpack. So let's go. All right, guys, been a minute since I've been in this dealership. See, they got the Scat right there, red jump. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been out here. So let's go up here and see what's happening. Hey, what's going on? All right, it's been a minute. Come to see what y'all got out here. What's up, man? It's been a while. See, y'all loaded up again. God dang. They got everything on this joint. These all probably 20. Oh, there's 19s too. Yes, sir. Y'all ain't playing out here with this Hellcat joint. Ooh-wee. Widebody. Yes, sir. It's a 19 Widebody joint. It's got all. Yeah, it's nice right here. B5. I like these stripes on this joint. This joint hidden. Yeah. How much is this joint? Well, it's a 19 too. Man, they loaded with 19s out here. Probably gonna get a hell of a discount. I might have to see what's happening. And this junk smell good. But y'all know what we came out here for. See if they got that wide body in the inside. They loaded, they got the Rams and everything. There it is. What's up, man? All right. Oh, this is a Hellcat. Thought they had a Widebody Scatpack in this joint. Yeah. It's just like the one from my last video. What's up, man? I thought y'all had the Scatpack Widebody. 392, where's that? It's out back. Okay. Okay. All right, thanks. All right, let's turn outside. Okay. Let's go around here and see what's happening. Man, they loaded out here, man. Oh, there you go. See that junk. I mean, they got Scatpacks everywhere out here. Things are definitely changed since the last time I've been out here. The only thing that's blowing me is this stupid music. Hopefully I don't get copyright, but there it go. Ooh-wee. Man, that's nice. That is nice right there, bruh. I'm mad about this stupid music. Look at that color on that junk, bruh. That junk hit, y'all. Damn, that junk hit. Widebody Scat. I know everybody gonna buy one of these. You can't deny this joint, bruh. Look at that. That's a pretty color right there. Leave y'all comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about the Widebody Scat. Look at that joint, bruh. And I'm feeling them wheels. Look just like the Widebody Hellcat. Just like it. Different hood. Yes, indeed. What y'all think about these fender flares, man? think they flush enough? You think they look bolted on? In person, they look good, man. The pictures don't do these cars no justice, man. You gotta come see it in person. And I'm digging this color right here. This is a pretty color, man. Yep. So we finally get to see Widebody Scat. I like that combination with the black wheels and the gray. Inside look the same. The door lock, can't get in this thing. Yeah, I like this, man. This is tight. Got the sunroof. I'm gonna be mad they copyright me with this stupid music, man. Yes, indeed. I'm feeling this joint. So I told y'all I was gonna bring y'all a Widebody Scat, man. There it is. Leave your comments. Let me know if you're feeling it or not, because this is definitely what I'm gonna try to get, man. It just make more sense to go with the Widebody Scat than the Hellcat. I ain't ready for the Hellcat yet. I will be soon or later, but this is what I'm gonna order for myself, man. This Widebody. It's getting windy out here, man. So like I say, man, it's cold out here, so I'm about to head back to the car. But as y'all see, man, that Widebody Scatpack is the truth, man. I'm definitely gonna get me one of those. Just trust me, the Widebody Scatpack is coming to the channel. I'm telling you right now. Because it's affordable, it's more practical for me, and I'm feeling that joint. So yeah, guys, that's you can't tell me that Widebody Scatpack don't look good, man. I know a lot of people not feeling the fender flares, and I think they overcharging a little bit for that, because considering that's pretty much the only thing they really changed on the car. I mean, the front grille is different too, but they look good in person. I'm telling y'all, in person that car look good. I mean, I like the Hellcat too, but knowing that car is actually affordable, that's something I can actually get, makes me, that makes me even more excited about it, bro. So I ain't ready to buy it right now, but soon, I guarantee you by the spring, I'm gonna have a Widebody Scatpack. I'm telling y'all right now. So if this is your first time joining the channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe. We got a lot coming to the channel, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.